traffic lights. Into the left lane. I am now following the signs for Southwell A612 and I am staying in the left lane. I'm currently in third gear, but the lights are now changed to green, so I'm staying on the left. You can continue to drive along. Following the road straight on. Okay, at the roundabout ahead, I'm going to go straight on, second exit. I am staying in the left lane. I'm slowing myself down now. I'm dropping into second gear. On the approach of the roundabout, I'm looking to the right. Looking to the right, slowing myself down. There's nobody coming. Staying right on the left as I go round. Left signal on now. Checking my mirrors again. Moving back over to the right. Continue to go ahead. Into the right lane. Third gear. Following the road ahead. Now I'm following the roundabout, following the road ahead. Second roundabout coming up. I'm going to be once again going straight on, second exit, but I'm going to stay in the right lane as I go around. So I'm checking my mirrors. I'm slowing myself down, dropping into second gear. There's a car indicating round, so I must stop. I'm going back into first gear, looking to the right. Cars are coming round, so I'm good to go. Second gear, indicator off, second gear, straight into the right lane, and away we go. Third gear, fourth gear. So it's 40 miles an hour, but I can't do 40 miles an hour because there's too much traffic ahead. So I'm staying at 30 miles an hour. Fourth gear. Okay, I'm approaching the roundabout, but I'm staying in the right lane as I approach. The brake lights are coming on from the vehicles. I'm slowing myself down. I've gone into third gear. Now I'm slowing the car down even more, gone into second gear. Looking straight on, nothing's coming. The cars are going straight on. I'm following it straight on, all the way around, on the right lane, left indicator on, and then off again, and then carry on. The whole time I stayed in the right lane. So I didn't need to move over, okay? But now when I come to the next roundabout, I'm going to have to move over to the left lane. So as I approach, continuing in third gear now. So at the roundabout ahead, I'm going to be going straight on second exit. So as I approach, I'm going to move over to the left lane. I'm indicating left, and I start to move over at the end of the bus lane here. Slowing myself down, getting ready to stop, indicator off. Going into second gear, I'm slowing myself down, looking to the right, nothing is coming. Following around all the way on the left, indicator on left now, and we're good. And away we go.